Previously on Real Sisters.
We get in the car with Rayven. Bad idea.
Right. You want to stop the car and scrap? We could do that. But you said stop the car, and you got fuck out.
I ain't had no respect for you, and you put your hands around my neck on my son. It would have went down in your shit. Crash or not.
You want to talk that shit, they should talk that shit. But you talk your shit, and you said stop the car.
Oh my mom, you ain't telling nobody to get your car, bitch. I told you to stop. To get me a tow car. You ain't put nobody out of shit. On my mom, and you know you didn't, bitch.
You think I'm not about that action? Oh, I'm about that motherfucking action.
All I hear is let's bump, let's bump. So all I know is skirt, let's bump. That's fighting words to me where I'm from.
I don't know where I'm gonna turn up.
You kept on fucking going, and you proceeded to call Giselle phone like he was a badass and act like you put us out the car. You ain't put shit out the car.
Why are you bumping so tough when we was just in the car?
I told you I ain't bump your bitch ass because you was driving. Stop playing tough, Brian. Stop fucking playing tough, G. You not tough. You not tough. You not tough, G.
What? Come on now. Real sister. We're not doing that. We can.
You know I had to come check out this Shaphia Cosmetics and gossip about. So how was the video shoot? and why you putting pictures out the car?
Honestly, I didn't pull up to your pop-up shop to be on no bullshit.
Okay.
But when Bam talking about, oh bitch, you got put in the car. Yeah, that's when I ain't gonna lie, I threw a little slick shot. But I'm glad we talked about it, and I'm glad you're a woman enough, so we don't have to be pulling each other here and fighting up in here, because that's not like us. We're women,
exactly.
right? We're trying to get to this money.
So my girl Perfect hit me up to do a photo shoot for her boutique. I actually filmed her grand opening, so you know we always had a supportive working relationship. When I got to the photo shoot, I explained to her I normally don't do photo shoots, but I only did it for you. She's like, girl, you always on social media posting pictures, like this look like what you do. No, it's not what I do. I'm not a model. I used to kind of do it back in the day, but you know, that's not what I do. So I'm like, girl, no, you finna do this photo shoot. And yes, I said finna, because I'm from Chicago, so yes. So you finna do this photo shoot with me. She's like, no, I do not have my makeup done. I cannot do it. Girl, you need to do it. I'm tired of taking pictures. I'm like, look at you. Girl, you this fan. Guess what I'm gonna do? Do your makeup, beat your face, and guess what, baby? You're about to do it too.
Oh, my kid thought I was cute.
So I ended up finessing her into doing a photo shoot too, and we had a good time. The vibes was good. You know, it was like black girl magic just sprinkled all over the room, baby. And you look great. Body looks amazing. You know what I'm saying? So. You know, make sure you definitely shop at Perfect Body Boutique.
filming the other day for City Limits, and boom, go live. That's my phone. Okay, so y'all might have seen me in a J Slutty video, Vibe. It's on YouTube, dope video, everything. It's time to speak on it. I've been feeling some type of way.
Wait a minute, hold on, Slut.
Talk your shit. Come on.
What'd you say?
Can't hear you.
What up, man? I already know what what up?
So you can't, hey, Red, check it out, Red. Look at everybody still alive. With that big ass bubble coat like you from
I am, boy. I'm from everywhere, boy. I'm from Chicago. You know where I'm from. Big old C.
Needs to be at me in that motherfucking video.
Hey, come on, man,
What up, G? You heard what she said, though? She said your video got 1 million. You know what I'm saying? Because of this face right here.
Period. 3.5 to be exact, nigga. You need to add my name. Like, that's the least you could have fucking did. You ain't do none of that shit. Every time I promote the video and everything, when you promote it, you ain't add my name not one motherfucking time. And I did that shit for free. I did the video first off for the free 99. The video did 3.5 million views.
What's that finger for?
Because you need to understand, I ain't playing.
Look, he gonna pop up that bitch.
Bad shit. Bad. Fuck you mean? He gets on there. He don't speak. I speak like, hey, what's up? Why you ain't, you know what I'm saying, include me and post and tag my name. He totally ignored what I say and then get off live like I didn't say shit. You have your videos crusty than a motherfucker.
Look, hey, you can't be getting down on the girls from the videos.
Well, they crusty. I don't give a fuck.
Half of them on here.
Okay, come holler at me. Fuck the time out. And I just feel like he didn't include me and post. He didn't tag my name when he promoted the video, you know. And I feel like a lot of that came from your fans. Don't get me wrong, but I promoted the shit out of that video. Okay, I'm talking about on all my social media. I'm promoting it, showing people when I go out places, and he never gave me the recognition that I deserve. Point blank, period. Cause I don't fuck what fame you gave, who you think you the fuck is, but I'm gonna tell you something right now.
Look, you can't go hard on Jay Slutty.
I don't give a fuck. That's what the fuck finna happen. Cause at the end of the day, don't you ever try to play like that. I did that video for free, bitch. When son nobody even wanted to do it. And all the bitches that you had before.
Hey, you exposing.
At the slums. I'm talking about I spiced her shit up.
Look, somebody is screen recording this. It's gonna be on the shade room.
And that's cool too.
Look, they always, that's what females be on. Y'all gotta watch them, okay? They gonna expose your whole shit.
Ain't nobody exposing shit, but nigga, let's be fucking real. If you real with yourself, let's be real with everybody else. The fuck? I did that off the strength of motherfucking Jazzelle. Period. Cause she asked me to do it. I drove all the way out there to do a video for you.
You did a great job too.
Me. I know I did.
You see what we did? We got 3.5 million.
Let me ask you
we got 3.5.
Is any of his other videos doing that much?
Yes.
Which one?
You don't know? You don't know who you talking about right now? Man, you gotta go. You gotta go get in tune. You don't even know who you talking about right now.
Oh, you know, if you is, congratulations, that's cool. But your first video, your very first video that did Mills, nigga.
Mills,
nigga, it wasn't because your song was dope.
What was it?
It wasn't because
what was it?
Because I was in that bitch and I was sharing it and I was promoting and I was having everybody that I knew shit. But what's up? Come on now, if I can help you out, help me out. It's supposed to be like that. But see, I feel like when people get on a little bit, they just be forgetting a little bit. But I'm going to remind them. And that's what the live was about. Period. I was playing that bitch every day.
That's what it was?
Thinking that I was going to get the same love in return. And did I? Hell the fuck no. And whoever that is, let me go to your profile because I'm on the fucking roll. Come on.
You on the roll?
I'm on the roll. And then, look, you got time to type that many things. Bitch, you a clown. Look at his fans. Crunchy, 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 crunchy. Then this one doing all that throw up. Like, it took everything in me not to go one by one and roast all of them, okay? Because, baby, I understand y'all fans, y'all gonna take up for the person that y'all love. I get it. But don't be up there throwing up for what? Like, you don't even got your picture as your profile, and if you is, that water dirty as hell. What are you talking about? Like, stop playing with me.
You gonna just go on everybody on the line, huh? Fuck everybody.
Whoever got something to fucking say ain't gonna say anyways. Okay, shut the fuck up. You shut the fuck up. So, yeah, I snapped. I did. I felt some type of way because you didn't pay me, okay? You already had a fan base, granted.
Look, you can't argue with everybody on the line.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Because y'all on his dick and he'll never give y'all the time or attention. And maybe
he will. He fuck with all his fans, y'all.
I'm sure he do.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all know.
I'm sure he do. And then he got the wheelchair coming. Y'all really, y'all, damn. All y'all should be pregnant the way y'all dick rag. God damn.
Them fans, you talking to fans right now.
Fans, exactly.
You talking to fans right now. So you think they gonna let you talk about who they look up to?
Yeah, you right. You know what, y'all can have that. Y'all can say what the fuck y'all want. That's real. That's cool. Because motherfucker look like an alien.
And just for the record, Vibes was dope as hell. I don't know what she talking about.
And no, for real, I got done saying I charity. I like the song. You feel me? I did it for free. So at the end of the day, that shit was
Hold
cool.
that when we come in the scene. I don't want that to be right there.
Nigga, as I'm tagging your name, and every time I share the video and I'm tagging your name, G, not once did he tag my name.
That's all you had to say.
I'm fucking saying.
So Slutty, she want an apology because you didn't tag her name.
Period. Every time I promo, I fucking tag the fucking film. The dude filmed it. I
Someone's tap in. So, hey, y'all add Jay Slutty so he can get back on this bitch and tell her.
Tell her to tap
y'all add Jay Slutty.
Nah, he too famous now. He don't want to talk now. He too famous now.
Like none of that. Even back then when I used to promote, I don't even recall you liking shit. Like I was doing you a favor, my dude. Crunchy.
So most people don't know. A lot of the reason why we stopped filming was because some people got pregnant, some people went to jail, and right now we're kind of celebrating one of our cast members, aka Sketch, getting out of jail. So he decided, like everybody else decided, honey, just to pop up at my house to just put together this barbecue chair and just invite some people over. Now, man, I won't be doing this again because somebody stole my gimbal out of my house, wherever you are. Shame the hell on you.
So the thing is with baby daddies, they have no responsibility for real. I had a friend, literally a friend, she said, I gotta find a babysitter. But it was the father of her child's weekend to have the kids. Why you gotta find a babysitter? Why can't he find a babysitter? Like, sis, where's your baby daddy at? Why he can't find no babysitter? Okay, everybody take a shot.
Oh, y'all. I'm already shooting shots. Y'all in the
I'm not. I said shooting shots. See, y'all know at any function, I'm gonna turn up and y'all gonna take shots. You look at me funny, shot. You wearing red, shot. You got on black, shot. You look like you look, shot. I just love shots. I'm just playing.
Joke, man.
Be still!
Oh, we doing Christmas. What are the cups?
But, you know, we still had a good time, positive vibes, you know, everybody's always, I love the family orientated feel, you know, it's just what we do.
Did you want to have a knit? You can show me the thing too. I'm trying to knit.
Hey, so question. Did you just do that because you was in jail or your lives tried to see you?
Oh, shit, to be.
Y'all know I gotta mess with my homie. He just got out of jail. And, you know, he came out bald-headed in the motherfucker, like crystal. I asked him, I said, did you cut it because your hairline was receded? Or did you just want to go bald? He don't even know. I love you, Sketch.
To be honest, the line was receiving on the last
It's hard.
Birthday, you know, her birthday is right before mine, and she decided to get a section. Y'all know I don't be doing the clubs and all of that. I like my bars, fist pumping stuff.
So we're outside and we're waiting for her. But it's okay, it's her birthday, you know, we're not gonna trip. We're gonna let Nico baby have a moment. This is her moment. Happy birthday, baby. So we about to enjoy it. Of course, she's late. Yes, we already knew she was late, child. She gonna tell us 7 minutes here. It's been 5, 10, 20 minutes for wow.
Of course, I was late. It's my birthday. I had to make that grand entrance as the queen that I am. When I walked in, I just felt that love. This beautiful women, handsome men, my family.
It was amazing. It was amazing. You know I had to do it big, so I rented out this club. Of course, I put my girls, my mother, and all my family and friends in the section, big bottles.
Molly rented out a section, and she did it up nice. You know, she made sure that everybody know that it was Queen Molly's birthday.
I also brought little fun, little drinks. I was just happy to see everybody. Everybody looked good. I looked good.
We had a blast. It was so much, the energy, the love, the laughs, and bitches in there. Look at it, queens in there.
Like we always do. We definitely gonna turn up for sure.
Good vibes in the air, everybody drinking, party, shaking ass. We was turning up.
Love having functions where all the cast can come out and everybody can just vibe, and you know, it's just like we're like a big family. We're like this big dysfunctional family. So I love when, you know, we can just get together and just enjoy each other's company. You know, good people, good talented people making good things happen.
Thank you for introducing me to a lot of great people.
Okay.
I do. I told you that's the quote for the day.
No.
I do though. I love you like a fat kid, love cake.
To you, oh, happy birthday, dear.
You gonna book up at me, bitch?
You gonna book up at me, bitch? No, hell no. That's my shit. No, hell no. Oh, my mama. Now lick it, bitch. Now lick it. The dumbest bitch I know. No, okay, yeah, you the dumbest bitch.
He look like he'll tell you.
You can have it. I don't want to have it. You know it? Hell no.
He look like he'll tell you about yourself.
Now what? Now what? Now, bitch.